Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to our fans on the TV. It's the Patio Premiership. Orlando Pirates 3, Amazulu 0. I'm joined by the best chairman.
Sibosha kunjani awuthi?
Amnandi chairman.
Number one. Sibuyile.
Yeah.
The big institution.
Yes.
University enkulu. Egelezi cities.
Yeah.
Dala ngiyibeka.
Sure.
Ngisathulile nje kancane. Ngifuna ukuthi abobhokoloshe bathini. Manje ngiyabona balahlekile.
Sure.
Ngiyabona nalama Ice Boy we Sundowns. Bathi baya ku number 2. Abakhohlwe.
Because.
Ice Boy we Sundowns.
Ama Ice Boy we Sundowns.
Labo baye. Steve, ithi ngikutshela. Ngiyabona lapha ku number 2. Abakhohlwe. Bazoyibanga ne Sundowns. Hayi nathi. Thina mfana samaHrotman. Bese sibuyele egamini yafandaka. Ukuthi ngibandlulisela umlayezo. Ukuthi mawe Ice Boy. Uyabona thina mfethu. Thina sibheke zethu. Ngeke usizwe sithi sogaya ubani 3 point ne 3 goals. Angeke usizwe sithi sogaya ubani ukuthatha league. Thina sisibhekile. Into engichaza ngebhakaniya Steve, sizimele sodwa. Asijeni. Thina sisodwa uthiyana. Asiminyela ubani ukuthi aminyela ubani ukuthi ubana wini. Thina siyazenzela. Ngakutshela ngathi sine project yase KZN yokuthatha 9 points. Unfortunately akwenzakalanga. Yabona emhlathuze kuke kwaba negame ethafu. But lokho akusho ukuthi mfana mele silahle imbeleko ngakufela isizulu. Uyangithola uthiyana. Because mawuthanda izinto bazokushaya. Bazokuhlaba. Yekela ukuthanda izinto. Focus eklabhini yakho. Sibo sisase la. Ngakutshela ngathi usiyema usibisi bagada imali uphetho chain namhlanje awuthiyami the very same thing. Uyabona usiyema lizobe nikhuluma kakhulu mase kathatha i-defend of the season nenze ngathi anibonanga yantwana le yani clean yantwana imnandi uyangithola uthiyami bese kuba amaphoyisa amfethu ufunani kuwapolice uyayibona le yantwana amavala avula wayo yazi na uthiyami kahle mangikhulumela ngePirate balela sonke iskimu sebhakaniya mina into engizokutshela yona Sithibo no ukuthi thina we are still in it. Uyangithola uthiyami thina samafokofoko lawa mawuthola idraw ne lose bese siyathena sithi ayikho ihambile ayikahambi awuthiyami coach wethu uyasho ukuthi izohamba ngelast game asidliwe last game okwamanje awuthiyami thina silanda one game at a time ngeke thina sohlala sihamba uyabona namhlanje Sithibo ngakutshela last ngathi mina ngikhuluma ngama engabanye nginasikhathi sokubukelana namanye ama-team asemzansi ila ibhakaniya and then after bhakaniya ngamane ngibheka amagame a-organ ayikho engiyilandelayo because angeke ngenzele foko angeke ngize ngithi stelisi songishayela ini angiyithembi leyo nto leyo uthiyami mina ngiyazenzela that's why angeke ungibone mina uthiyami uba yabona ngihlale sodra mara la next door ngeke ungibone kungasigame yakho but uzongithola eCape Town makudlala ibhakaniya ngiyazi ngifunani ngithi mina angilwi nabanye mina ngeke ngiyobukela abantu ezingathathi igrade mina ngifuna ukubukela into ehambayo ibhola elihlile Sithibo abeze bazongatheka ngibagelezile mina ngizobahlaba akwazi lo uthiyami next week Sunday nabo laba bama Ice Boy abeze la banginike league
ngishangaki bafethu
bona wena Guy Chiefs message ukuthi uchairman uthe siyeza sizoniqhamela.
Thank you chairman.